I'm Patrick Steinfeld for The Truck Lawyers. We are Augusta trucking accident attorneys providing national representation to trucking accident victims and their families. Truck accidents are often catastrophic and life-changing, and for that reason require an attorney who has special knowledge of the trucking industry. If you or a loved one have been involved in a truck accident, here are 3 things to consider. First, we can deploy a rapid response team to the scene of an accident within hours of your initial call, taking 3D measurements of the site, downloading the truck's computer data, and inspecting all vehicles involved. Second, interstate trucks are subject to federal laws that don't apply to passenger vehicles. We know those federal regulations as well as safety practices within the trucking industry. Third, trucks are different than cars, so it's not surprising that truck accidents are different from car accidents. We know trucks. My dad was a truck driver, my uncle was a trucker, and for a time I drove big rigs, so I have personal experience driving trucks, as well as inside knowledge of how the trucking industry works. So in accidents involving trucks, the truck lawyers have more to offer you than a general personal injury car accident attorney. But time is of the essence. You pay nothing until we win, so it costs nothing to get started. Please call us at toll-free at area code 844-800-8900. The phone call and consultation are free. We are America's trucking accident attorneys. We believe in you. We care about you, and we are here for you. Call us today.